Hey, how you doing? Happy Sunday. I hope you are well and I hope you're good. How's it going? Today on the stream, I'm going to be making a piece of art within 2 hours. Oh yes. I've got one more page left in the future sketchbook that I started last year. So the final page is going to be an extravaganza. Oh yes it is. Extravaganzas all the way today. Are you ready? I've got all these files and I'm going to use things that I've already picked out before, but I kind of rejected for whatever reason, whether it just didn't suit the artwork, but I've kept it all because I'm like, oh, this could be interesting for something, right? So let's get this going today. Let's get it going. So what I'm going to do first of all is go through these and just see like things that like stick out to me. I'm going to start with the people. The theme is celebration. I quite like her. It's climbing, so no. Now these people look very happy. Look at these people in their pink wigs, pink and purple wigs. They look pretty happy, so I think we're going to include them. Wouldn't it be cool to have like people partying on her hair? Like we could have like people just like dancing on her hair. I think we're going to use this one because this is more hair to dance on, right? Look how cool her hair is. Oh, now I've got to say this is quite celebratory. Just the building, just the colours. I hear what you're saying about just the turrets. And because they look a little bit like icing, they could really work like just these bits. Thank you for that suggestion. Let's just have a little sneak at the food. All right, let's have a little sneak look at the food. What is celebratory to you? Tell me in the chat what is celebratory to you, right? Oh, well, this drink is obviously very celebratory, isn't it? Look at the glass. I mean, it's all happening. Oh yeah, let's have it then. I've convinced myself. What about people dancing out of a cocktail? Should we cut the hair? Let's just cut things out. Let's cut things out. Maybe the people with the funky hair could be coming out of the hair. Maybe I could cut these individually and they're coming out of the hair. This is how it works with one of these collage streams. So I find a load of bits, find things that I like, find things that fit a theme that I'm going for. And today's theme is celebration. And then I spend some time just cutting things out that I've liked. And then comes the most fun part, which is putting it together and seeing how I'm going to arrange the whole thing. I just feel like I wanted the glass to be upside down, which is quite a nice centerpiece. And then what I was thinking of is all these kind of like crazy people having a fabulous time. They could have these turret thingies as hats. I mean, this is looking good. I'm liking this. Maybe there's a little flower there. And we still haven't used the balls, which feels like a crime. What about her? She's like mysteriously in the glass at the bottom. Okay. Oh, it's so good, that tea. I'm thinking this one for the background because I mean, the only thing that's annoying is this. So maybe we can make like a sunshine or something over the top, just like cheesy. I mean, but a glass in this mad landscape makes all the sense. I mean, that's party time in itself. I mean, imagine coming across that in the desert or wherever this is, the rocky place. Celebration madness, right? Okay, we need to put the little people in. We're nearly there, we're nearly there. We're right at the end. The girls or not the girls? I mean, the girls, right? Yes, the girls, the girls. So much fun. Hair-raising celebration. I like that a lot. All right. Here is the final piece. On this day, the 11th of September, 2022. Okay, so this is the final piece, made within 2 hours. This is an artwork that represents celebration. It's a bit mad. It looks awesome, thank you. It's an upside down cocktail glass with a lady dancing here, and then these two girls are obviously managing the party, and then you go up and there's flowers and hair and lips and stuff, and then there's people having a party up the top, but they're sort of supposed to be a bit like representing a cake. So maybe the people are the cake, or they're part of the cake, or they're coming out of the cake, or they're on top of the cake. Whichever the case, everyone is having a great time. Even the girls who are managing the situation really fantastically. I mean, if the girls weren't there, there would be chaos. And thankfully, because the girls are there, everything's under control and they've got it sorted. You know that because they're wearing power outfits, and you need to wear a power outfit when you are managing everything because there's hair everywhere and things have got just slightly out of hand, but not too much. Like the hair may be standing on end and coming out from the sides, but everything is as it should be. What should we call it? What should we call it? What about, I like the hair raising celebration. The hair raising celebration that's completely under control. I like a long title. So this is the final part of the stream where I'm going to look at this book. This book is 365 days of really short little lovely little inspirational Buddhist offerings. I'm not a Buddhist, I don't believe in any religion, but all religions have something of wisdom to share with us, don't they? This is an antidote. I'm going to call this the antidote to extremity. That's not what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. So this is the antidote to extremity. The Buddha discovered what he called the middle way. A way not based on an aversion to the world, nor an attachment, but a way based on inclusion and compassion. The middle way rests at the center of all things, the one great seat in the center of the world. I mean, that's beautiful, right? That's beautiful. I'm going to read it one more time. The Buddha discovered what he called the middle way, a way not based on an aversion to the world nor an attachment, but a way based on inclusion and compassion. The middle way rests at the center of all things, the one great seat in the center of the world. And I really love that because this stream is based on inclusion, no matter what race you are, religion you are, gender, sexuality, preference, all those kind of things. This is a totally inclusive stream, so, and a stream based on compassion. So I mean, hello and welcome to the really loveliest quote that matches what this stream is, and let us all sit down in the middle of the center of the world of creativity and feel amazing. So yeah, thank you so much. So lovely to have you here. See you Wednesday. Come in the Discord in the meantime. I check it every single day. So come in and hang out with us in there. I'd love to see you in there. And stay creative and stay your beautiful self. Remember, there's nothing you need to do. You are already beautiful. You are already amazing who you are already. All right? Don't pressure yourself. Just be who you are. All right? I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.